My kickstand's gone.
What do you mean your kickstand's gone? Bro, what the fuck?
Fuck.
This situation is not getting any better. Alright, hold on.
My fucking...
Hold on.
My kickstand's gone.
Where the fuck did we put them?
A piece of your truck?
The keys to my truck.
Oh.
But I know they're here. Miami trip has been fucking it, bro. It's been fucking it. How was your trip? It.